so today I am going to show you guys how I create this wig hairstyle, and you guys are gonna love it. Now the hair is from Nadula here. We're gonna get into it. I literally just take out it just to show you guys how I did it. So we're gonna get into it. Alright guys, so this is the wig. Like I said, I installed the wig already, but this is it. It do have two combs at the top right there, one at the side and another at the side. We do have a comb at the back as well, and of course it's a drawstring, which let me show you how you work the drawstring. This is how it is. All you have to do is pull it down as tight as you want it and then bring it down. Then you tuck this part underneath. So before I install it, I will release it and we are gonna go in right now. I love that they make these small baby hair here. You see that? So it's gonna have that natural effect. Absolutely love that. So hold on me. Highs and lows, Lord, you're with me either way it goes. Should I rise or should I fall? Too good to let me go. I seen another day, seen another breath, and guys, this is the wig. Yes, I know you love it. I love it too. Y'all saw that I braided my hair, just slide the wig on, and it is perfect. Okay. Now I made some baby hair. I didn't use any edge control. I actually used the lace spray to do that, and I added some oops because it's giving throwback. The hairstyle is a whole throwback, okay? So I had to pull out the oops. Now I love the texture of the hair. I did razor cut some of the top just so it can look really cute. But what are your thoughts? Let me know what you think. I will have a link in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. It's also going to be discounted, so you guys need to grab this wig. Half wig, you don't have to braid your hair. It's going to look so nice. Now, I feel like this looks way better than when I did it the first time. I'm not going to lie. But this is it, y'all. Really quick and easy style. I love it. It's trendy. It's what's going on right now, so why not do it? And I get so many feedbacks, hence why I decided to do it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the link because the wig will be there. You like it, right? Because I do too.